Hello students, we are in discussion in chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. In this chapter now we start how can we form linear equation in two variable from the given data. How can we form the linear equation in two variable from the given data, and after it we discuss how to plot the graph of pair of linear equation in two variables, or we can say how can we solve these equation graphically. So we are now starting the topic pair of linear equation in two variable, formation of linear equation in two variable by the given data, and after it the graphical solution of the linear equation in two variable. Now this is the problem. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Where then? Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. I represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So in this question, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you, and after 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. First we want to form the linear equation in two variable according to this data. So now start this. So the first solution of the question is, we will here form the algebraical form of this linear equation in two variables. Let present is of Aftab is x and his daughter is y. Let present age of Aftab is x and his daughter is y. Now 7 years ago, 7 years ago, age of Aftab x minus 7. 7 years ago, age of his daughter y minus 7. Because the present age is x, so now the 7 years ago age of Aftab x minus 7 and age of his daughter is y minus 7. Now according to question, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. According to question, x minus 7 is equal to 7 times of y minus. After 7 years ago, Aftab is 7 times into age of his daughter. This can be expressed x minus 7 equal to 7y minus 49. This implies that x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. This is the first linear equation in two variables based on this question. Again, I shall be 3 times y, also 3 years from now. Now again, after 3 years from now, age of Aftab equal to x plus 7, age and age of his daughter equal to y plus 7. sorry, 3 times from now. After 3 years from now, the age of the avatar is x plus 3 and age of his daughter is y plus 3. Now I shall be 3 times as old as you. So now x plus 3 is equal to 3 times of y plus 3. This can be written as x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. This can be arranged as x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the second equation. So now this given data can be found, this given data can be arranged in algebraically in these type of two equations. First is x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Other is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So these are two equations which are from using the given data from the question. So first equation is x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0 and other equation is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now we find how can we draw the graph of these two algebraic equations. So from equation first, x equal to 7y minus 42. You have a choice, you can solve for x or you can solve for y according to the equation. So now make a table in x and y. If y equal to 6, if y equal to 6 here, so 7 6 are 42 minus 42, you have the value of x 0. And now other, if we put y equal to 7, now you have the value 7 7 is 49 minus 2 7. So other point is 7 comma 7. Now we plot this point on the graph. This is the first point 0 comma 6. So this point taken here 3 4 5 6. This shows that the point lies on y-axis because x is 0 and y is 6. Now next, here put y equal to 7 here. 7 7 is 49, so x equal to 7 here also. So now 7 comma 7. So take here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7 is there. One point is there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 comma 7 can be plotted 1 2 3 4 5 6 and there. This is the point 7 comma 7. This is the point 0 comma 6 and this is the point 7 comma 7. Draw a line, join these 2 points. This represent x minus 7y. This represent x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Now we take second equation from equation second. Again x equal to 3y plus 6. Make a table x comma y. Because this equation is solved in form of y for the value of x. So now put y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, you have x equal to 6. Again, if you put y equal to minus 2, you have x equal to 0. So now again plot these points, x equal to 6, y equal to 0. So this point is there 6 comma 0 and other point is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2, the point lies in negative y axis. That point is there. So this is the second point 0 comma minus 2. Draw a line draw a line, and this line shows x equal to x minus 3y minus 6 इक्वल टू 0। यहां आपने दो इक्वेशन आपको मिल गए थे। द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वाज x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0 and second was x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. These two equations are obtained by the given data which is given in our question. Now we find the graphical representation of these algebraic equations. So now we start with first equation. हम यहाँ पर हमारे पास पहला इक्वेशन है x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. So now we start with x equal to 7y because when we transfer 7y 42 is there, it becomes 7y minus 42. ये आपके ऊपर निर्भर करता है इक्वेशन की सिचुएशन को देख करके। अगर ये इक्वेशन x के लिए इजीली सॉल्व हो रहा है, हम ये चाहते हैं कि यहाँ जो वैल्यू आ रही है ये फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्मेट में ना आए। अगर वो y के लिए सॉल्व हो रहा है तो हम y के लिए सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, x के लिए सॉल्व हो रहा है तो x के लिए सॉल्व होगा। और अगर दोनों ही कंडीशन में फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू आ रही है तो उस केस में हम किसी के लिए भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ मैंने चूंकि x को लेने से फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू नहीं आ रही तो मैंने x के लिए सॉल्व किया, x equal to 7y minus 42. So now put the first value of 0 y, sorry, the first value of y is 6 here. So 7 6 is 42 minus 42, x becomes 0, and second value is y 7. You have take any value for solving this type of equation. हमारा उद्देश्य ये होता है कि इस टेबल के अंदर जो आने वाली वैल्यूज हैं वो न्यूमेरिकली छोटी हो ताकि इन्हें हमें प्लॉट करने में दिक्कत ना आए। तो हम ऐसी वैल्यू चूज करें जिनके रखने से अगर मैं x रख रहा हूं तो y छोटा मुझे मिले, y रख रहा हूं तो x मुझे छोटा मिले, ताकि इनको प्लॉट करने में हमें दिक्कत ना आए। और इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को करने के लिए आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए ग्राफिकल पेपर का इस्तेमाल करिए ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छी तरह से हो जाएगी। इन दो पॉइंट को, तो पहला पॉइंट मिला मुझे 0,6, हिसाब साफ शो कर रहा है दिस पॉइंट लाइज ऑन y axis, so this is the point 0,6 and second point is 7,7, so this point is 7,7. Join these 2 points, we get a line x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Now we take second equation here, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This can be written as x equal to 3y plus 6. So now put x equal to, first y equal to 0, so we have 0 into 3 0, so become 6, and now put y equal to minus 2, 3 2 is minus 6 plus 6, so x becomes 0. First we plot point 6, 0. Clearly this point lies on x-axis, and second point 0, minus 2, this lies in negative side of y-axis. So these two lines shows these two algebraic equations of linear equation in two variables. Now I am taking next question based on algebraic and graphical representation of the given data. The cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. There are two types of fruits, apples and grapes. The cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. Let the first we find the linear equation represent this situation. Okay, let cost of 1 kg apple is x and cost of 1 kg grapes is y. Then according to question, 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. The cost of, we are assuming here that cost of 1 kg of apple is x. So 2 kg apples, so 2x, 1 kg of grapes, y. The cost of 2 kg apple, 2x, cost of 1 kg grape is y, and this is equal to 160. 160. This is the first situation. This is the first equation according to the situation, and again, after a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples. So according to this situation, we have 4x plus 2 kg of apple, 2y equal to rupee 300. So these are the equation. These are the equation represent the given data algebraically. Now we find the graphical solution of these language. Now we start graphically from equation first. y equal to 160 minus 2x. So now make here there is a value of y 160 minus 2x from the equation number first. Make a table x and y. Put the value of x equal to 80, x equal to 80, so we have y equal to 0, and again if we put x equal to 0, then we have y equal to 160. So now plot this condition on the graph. So we have 2 points. First is 80, 0. So now take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. The first point is 80, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This point, suppose that represent 80, 0. And next 0, 160. So this point represent 0, 160. Take 10 equal to 1 box. Okay. So now join this point. This is the equation represent 2x plus y, 2x plus y equal to 160. Now from equation second, from equation second, 2x plus y equal to 150. This equation can be written as 2x plus y equal to 150 after dividing by 2. Now this also can be represented as y equal to 150 minus 2x. Make a table again for it. X, y. Take x equal to 75. If we put x equal to 75, we have 75 to the 150. This becomes 0. And again, if x equal to 0, we have y equal to 1. So now draw again these values. First point is 75, 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This point is 75, 0. And again, this equation, this point is 0, 150. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 150. This point is 150. So now draw again a line there. Join these 2 points and we have again a line. This is the second line represent the equation 4x plus 2y equal to 300. So this is the graphical representation of these two equations, first and second.